Hi, today we're talking about custom cake order form. So, if you're looking to order for any custom cakes, you can provide this to the customers who would be able to fill out the form to book for a custom cake. So, the basic essence is that we have got some few fields over here which the customer can fill in with the custom cake order that they're looking for. You can obviously play around with all the fields and you can define the fields as per your choice. This is just a sample template file. So once all the things are filled in, you can see the responsive side of things. The response will be captured over here, and you will be able to view all the details. Okay. So let's go to the form builder. We need to click on share form and click on copy form link. Make sure all the fields on the top are enabled as you can see over here. Click on copy form link and provide this link to the particular person who is going to order for any custom cake. Okay, and once the form loads up, we will able to fill in all the details one by one, and then we can click on submit and it will submit the response for our use case. So I'm going to randomly fill in some of the details quickly so that we can test out how exactly will it work. I'm going to randomly fill in some details. I'm not uploading any file. Special request not applicable. I'm putting random names, random numbers, and email ID as well. And finally we are going to test out how exactly will it work. Okay, so I filled in all the details from top to bottom one by one, and then I'm going to click on submit. As I do that, you can see my response has now been submitted, and if you go to the responses side of things, you will be able to see that response getting captured on the top over here. Okay, so it's very simple. Simply fill out the form, click on submit, the response gets captured on the responses view. And I obviously want to mention you can edit and customize these fields as per your choice. This is just a sample template file which has been showcased to you. Besides this, I also want to highlight about a new tool, that is PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool which can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It does that with the help of a Notion page, which acts as a source of template file where you can define the entire template for the PDF. And it exercises the use of a Notion database which has all the contents that can be replaced on the Notion page to generate documents in bulk. I've added a video of the exact same process but for invoices. So you can watch this video how you can generate invoices in bulk. And obviously you can generate any documents for a use case. This is just a sample video for invoices. So please do check out PDF output for that use case. And if you want to reach out to me or contact me, please do that by sending me an email at notionformyuse@gmail.com. That is where I can help you or assist you with any queries. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.